Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we are going to learn about rounding numbers. And in rounding numbers, we are going to learn how to round to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. Rounding number is a method of changing the exact value of number to the closest estimate. Easy rhyme to memorize the rounding rules. 4 or less, give it a rest, and 5 or more, raise the score. Rounding to the nearest 10. First, underline the tens digit number and circle the ones digit number. Here we underline the 2 in the 10 space and the 3 in the 1 space. Since 3 is less than the 4, 4 or less, give it a rest. 23 rounds to 20. 56. We underline the 5 in the tens place and we circled the 6 in the 1 space. Since 6 is more than 4, 5 or more, raise the score. 56 rounds to 60. Rounding to nearest 100. 623. First, underline the hundredths digit number and circle the tens digit number. Here we underline the 6 and we circled the 2 in the tens place. Since 2 is less than 4, 4 or less, give it a rest. 623 rounds to 600. 895. Here we underline 8 and we circled 9. Since 9 is more than 4, 5 or more, raise the score. 895 rounds to 900. Rounding to nearest 10. 63. Here we underline the 6 and we circled the 3. Since 3 is 4 or less, give it a rest. 63 rounds to 60. 28. Here we underline the 2 and circle the 8. 8 is 5 or more, raise the score. So 28 rounds to 30. 127. Here we underline the 2 in the tens place and we circled the 7 in the ones place. 7 is 5 or more, raise the score. So 127 rounds to 130. 92, since 2 is less than 4. 92 rounds to 90. 382, 2 is less than 4. So the answer is 380. Check for answers. Rounding to the nearest 100. 286. Since 8 is 5 or more, raise the score. 286 becomes 300. 472. 7 is 5 or more, raise the score. The answer is 500. 2,347. Since 4 is 4 or less, give it a rest. The answer is 2,300. 352. Since 5 is 5 or more, raise the score. The answer is 400. 186. It is also 5 or more, raise the score. Answer is 200. 6,123. 2 is 4 or less, give it a rest. The answer is 6,100. Thanks for watching. Write your comments in the comment box below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the bell button.